Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.3. Before starting the exercise, first we discuss how to find the area of the triangle by determinant method. Let we have a triangle ABC with vertices A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3. Then area of the triangle is equals to 1 by 2 of determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. On evaluating this determinant, we can find the area of this triangle. Okay. On evaluating, we can get positive or negative value. But we know that area can't be negative. Area can't be negative. So always remember, we should take always positive value. So first, we have to notate that the area is positive. The area is positive. So take only absolute value. Take only absolute value. Okay. And second important point is, if these 3 points are collinear, A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3. If these points are collinear, then triangle is not possible. So, remember that if the 3 points are collinear, then the area of triangle taken as 0. Area of triangle taken as 0 when the 3 points are collinear. Okay. First point is, if area is positive, then take only absolute value, and second is, when these points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Okay. Now let's start the exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is, find the area of the triangle with the given vertices. Let's solve the first. In first part, we have a triangle with vertices 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. We know that area of the triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and C3 is 1, 1, 1. Now put the values, then we get area of the required triangle is 1 by 2. Here 1, 6, 4, 0, 0, 3 and here 1, 1, 1. On expanding with the elements of C2, then we get 1 by 2. Here it is non-diagonal element, so minus 3. Now this block, here we get 1 minus 6. So it is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 into minus 5, that is equals to 15 upon 2 square units is equals to 7 whole 1 by 2 square units is the required area. Okay. Let's see the next part. Let's solve it. In second part, we have a triangle with vertices 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8. So, the area of the triangle is equals to 1 by 2. Here 2, 1, 10. C2 is 7, 1, 8 and here 1, 1, 1. On expanding, we have 1 by 2, here 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 into 1 minus 10 plus 1 into 8 minus 10. That is equals to 1 by 2, here minus 14, here minus 7 minus 10, that is plus 63. Now here minus 2. On solving, we get it is 1 by 2 into 47, that is equals to 23 whole 1 by 2 square units. Okay. Let's see the next third part. Same here. In third part, we have a triangle with the vertices minus 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 8. So area of the triangle is equals to 1 by 2, here minus 2, 3 minus 1, here minus 3, 2 minus 8 and here 1, 1, 1. Expanding along row 1, then we get 1 by 2, here minus 2 into 2 plus 8 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 24 plus 2. On solving, we get it is equals to 1 by 2 minus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 into minus 22. That is equals to 1 by 2 minus 20 plus 12 minus 22 is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 30. That is equals to minus 15. But we know that area can't be negative. Area can't be negative. So here area of triangle is equals to 15 square units. 15 square units. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Here we have to show that the points A, B, C are collinear. Clearly, if the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle must be equals to 0. So here, area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2, here A, B, C and B plus C, C plus A plus B and here 1, 1, 1. Now, operate C1 is such that C1 plus C2. Then we get the same value in C1. Okay. So it is equals to 1 by 2. C1 is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C and here also A plus B plus C. C2 is same, that is B plus C, C plus A plus B and here 1, 1, 1. Now taking A plus B plus C common from C1, then we get A plus B plus C by 2 into 1, 1, 1. Here B plus C, C plus A plus B and C3 is 1, 1, 1. Now here C1 and C3 are identical. So the value of the determinant is equals to 0. Hence, the given points A, B, C are collinear because here area of triangle ABC is equals to 0. So these points are collinear. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Here we have to find the value of K if the area of the triangle is 4 square units and given vertices are in first part given that the area of the triangle with vertices k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2 is 4 square units. Area of triangle is given here. So 1 by 2 k 4 0, here 0 0 2 1 1 1 is equals to plus minus 4. We take both cases. So here 1 by 2 expanding along C2, then we get minus 2 into k minus 4 is equals to positive negative 4. That is equals to minus k minus 4 is equals to plus minus 4. Now here we have two cases. First, taking positive sign, and here taking negative sign. So here we have minus k minus 4 is equals to positive 4, that is equals to k minus 4 is equals to minus 4, then we get k is equals to 0 is the first value. And here minus k minus 4 is equals to minus 4, that is equals to k minus 4 is equals to 4, that gives k equals 8. So k equals 0 and k equal 8 are the required values of k. Let's see the second part. Here we have to given that the area of the triangle with vertices minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, k is 4 square units. So 1 by 2, here minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 4, k, 1, 1, 1, that is area of the triangle, is equals to, given that 4 units, so plus minus 4. Now expanding along C1, then we get 1 by 2, here minus 2 into 4 minus k is equals to plus minus 4. That is equals to minus 4 minus k is equals to plus minus 4. Now here we have two cases. First for positive sign and second for negative sign. Here we have minus 4 minus k is equals to 4, that is equals to 4 minus k is equals to minus 4, that gives k equals to 8 is the first value of k. And here minus 4 minus k is equals to minus 4, that gives 4 minus k is equals to 4. Then we have k is equals to 0 is the required values of k. Now let's see the next question. Question number 4, first part. Find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Let's solve it. Let x, y be the third point on the line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. So the area of the triangle with vertices x, y, 1, 2 and 3, 6 is equals to 1 by 2. Here x 1 3, C2 is y 2 6 and here 1 1 1. Since the 3 points are collinear, these 3 points are collinear, so the area of the triangle must be equals to 0. Area of triangle is equals to 0. So 1 by 2 x 1 3 y 2 6 1 1 1 is equals to 0. That gives this determinant, that is x 1 3 y 2 6 1 1 1 is equals to 0. Now expanding along row 1, then we get x into 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. On solving, we get minus 4x plus 2y is equals to 0. That can be written as minus 2x plus y is equals to 0. That is equals to 2x minus y is equals to 0 is the required equation of the line. Okay, clear? Let's see the next part of this question. Here also we have to find the equation of the line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 3. Let's solve it. Let x, y be the third point on the line. X, y be the third point on the line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 3. Then the area of the triangle with these vertices is equals to 1 by 2, here x 3 9, y 1 3, 1 1 1. Since these 3 points are collinear, so area of the triangle is equals to 0. So 1 by 2 x 3 9, y 1 3, 1 1 1 is equals to 0. Then we have this determinant is equals to 0. On expanding with the row 1, then we have x into 1 minus 3 minus y into 3 minus 9 plus 1 into 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. On solving, we get minus 2x plus 6y is equals to 0. That can be written as x minus 3y is equals to 0 is the required equation of the line. Let's see the last question of this exercise, question number 5. Here, if the area of the triangle is 35 square units with the given vertices, then find the value of k. Let's solve it. Here, the area of the triangle, that is 1 by 2, 2, 5k minus 6, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1 is equals to plus minus 35. It is given that area is equals to 35 square units. So here 1 by 2, on expanding we have 2 into 4 minus 4 minus minus plus 6 into 5 minus k plus 1 into 20 minus 4k, that is equals to plus minus 35. On solving, we get 1 by 2 Here 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k is equals to plus minus 35. That is equals to 1 by 2. 50 minus 10k is equals to plus minus 35. Then we get 25 minus 5k is equals to plus minus 35. Now here we have two cases. First for positive sign and second for negative. In first case we have 25 minus 5k is equals to 35. So we get minus 5k is equals to 10, that gives k equals minus 2 is the first value. And here 25 minus 5k is equals to minus 35, that gives minus 5k is equals to minus 60, minus cancel, that gives k equals 12. So the required values are minus 2 and 12. So option D is the right answer. Okay, exercise complete. In next class, we will discuss the next topic, that is minors and cofactors of determinants. Okay, clear?